Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I make the classic Italian lemon liqueur, Limoncello. This is mainly produced in Naples along the Amalfi Coast in Italy, and whilst enjoyed in summer I thought I would make a batch in the middle of winter to warm me up. Let's get started. Here is what you'll need for the first step. Lemons are in abundance at the moment, and here I have 12 organic lemons I have picked off my tree. You'll need 750 ml or 3 cups of alcohol. I'm using triple filtered Grappa, but you can use Everclear or a similar neutral grain alcohol. I don't recommend vodka for this recipe because it simply isn't strong enough. The alcohol volume must be at least 95% or 190 proof, otherwise the lemon essential oils will not infuse. I am also using a 1 litre glass jar which has a clip top rubber seal. After giving the lemons a good wash, I'm going to peel off the rinds using a vegetable peeler and place them in the glass jar. You only want to peel off the rind and not the white pith, as this will make your limoncello bitter. You also want to use organic or farmers market lemons for this. I don't recommend buying from the supermarket because their lemons are usually coated in wax, which is annoying to remove, and based on my experience, wax coated lemons don't infuse as good as organic. If your lemons have any spots or marks, don't worry, just peel around them. Now that our lemons are peeled, it's time to add the alcohol straight in. We're now going to close the lid and put this in a cool, dark place for 1 month to let the alcohol infuse and absorb the lemon peels. After 3 days you can see the alcohol is turning yellow and absorbing the essential oils from the peels. Every few days, take out your jar and give it a good shake to ensure it is mixed well. Some recipes say you need to do this every day, but I don't think that's necessary. It's been about a month and the alcohol has absorbed the peels as much as it can, and you'll know this when the peels start to turn white and firm up as they have here. We now need to strain this to ensure no fine bits of peel end up in the finished product. Here I'm using a fine mesh sieve with a layer of cheesecloth. What you end up with is this beautiful lemon infused alcohol. Now we can finish off our limoncello. The final step to limoncello is to make a simple syrup to add to the infused alcohol. To a saucepan, I add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of freshly squeezed and strained lemon juice. Most recipes use a simple syrup of sugar and water, but I like to replace the water with lemon juice. I find the lemon juice balances out the sweetness of the sugar, the potency of the alcohol, and brings the lemon flavour to another level. We're going to constantly stir this on medium-high heat until the sugar is dissolved. After a couple of minutes, our syrup is ready. We're now going to turn off the heat and allow this to cool for a few minutes. Now that the lemon syrup has cooled slightly, we can add it straight into the infused alcohol. Make sure you give it a good stir to ensure everything is mixed and well combined. This is now ready to bottle. I'm now going to pour the limoncello in a sterilised and sanitised clear wine bottle. You want to use a clear wine bottle to show off that beautiful yellow. This is best served chilled, so I'm going to put the cap on and pop this in the freezer overnight, and then it will be ready to serve. It's the next day and the limoncello is chilled and ready to serve. Along with the colour, it has a beautiful silky pouring texture. I had a try of this and it tasted absolutely amazing. It really reminded me of when I was holidaying on the Amalfi Coast. That's all for this video. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you same chili time, same chili channel.